How to enable or disable Do Not Disturb in Navbar lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now from here, we then go down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Next, tap on Navbar. Then we go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Tap on it to turn it off or switch it on. Now what it does, it inserts a dedicated toggle switch into the Navbar to mute all incoming calls, alerts, and notifications based on your preset system exceptions. So how does it help you? Instead of having to unlock your phone or swipe down into the full quick settings panel, you can double tap your screen and tap the Navbar to instantly toggle quiet time on or off directly from here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.